People, we've been watching the Vybz Kartel case, and we know that there's a lot of corruption in it. Just a few days ago, they burned down Isaac Buchanan office, thinking they would destroy files of evidence that Vybz Kartel had against whomever. But we heard a person coming out, and people, we don't know if this is real. We don't know what it is. But what we're going to do is listen. I want to make a judgment for fool yourself. You hear me, I say? Listen this.
Let the world know exactly why them keep fight Vybz Kartel so hard. It's not about no lizard. Them care zero about lizard, because lizard, them say lizard a criminal. Lizard have two, go look it up. Lizard have 2 charges in the gun court. So go look it up. There must never be any person or any system use the justice system to fight them own battle. Who's to Vybz Kartel step on for the system trying to lock him down? There must never be any person or any system use the justice system to fight them own battle. Did I say it clearly? Mr. Upper echelon of society. You, sir, me know your ego was bruised. Yes, Jamaica, interesting day in our office in New Kingston a few days ago. Interesting conversation. Jamaica, I don't know Jamaica. Say, the girl them love Vybz Kartel, the world boss, the Gaza boss. Who don't know that Jamaica? Say anywhere the girl them see Vybz Kartel, river come down and jars get washed away. And people bring the coloring book for him color it. Right, Jamaica? Now, sir, I understand. So your ego bruise in 3 different directions. Your daughter love off the Gaza boss, and she bring the coloring book to the Gaza boss. For the Gaza boss color it. And him color it. We don't know if she got tell the mother say the Gaza boss color the book. And she want fear book color too. So your wife bring the coloring book to the Gaza boss, and the Gaza boss color it. Jamaica. At 17 years you carry that warrior against Vybz Kartel, sir. You know? Remember, in Jamaica, the girl them love Kartel, you know. Anyway, them see Kartel, river come down and jars drop. Sir, look here, old Kartel guilty for that, you know. And your wife bring the pum pum go game and let the world know exactly why them a keep fight Vybz Kartel so hard. It's not about no lizard. Them care zero about lizard, because lizard, them say lizard a criminal. Lizard have 2, go look it up. Lizard have 2 charges in the gun court. So go look it up. So Jamaica, you see where Lee Donaldson and live, Shakira Greer and live, name it countless. Jamaica, you ever see the system of fight this hard to seek justice for them? So you tell me, say, who is lizard? That the system a fight. The system don't care about lizard. That the system a fight so hard to bring justice to lizard. No, Jamaica, and that. The system a fight because certain people, certain man want justice for the pum pum. Is a pum pum justice them seeking? Sir, the people them in the office too, you know, sir, them a get tired of you. Let Jamaica know the truth. So because the man ride the family tree, that are your big feelings. And because you have so much power and you wield so much power to use the justice system to fight Vybz Kartel. Me hear it with my own ears. It can get too serious now. That all the things on the can't even destroy the case by burning down the lawyer office. All the things on the can't even destroy the case by burning down the lawyer office. By burning Isaac office down. Come on, no man. Come on. Jamaica.
People, after listening to that, we don't want to speculate, we don't want to assume, but we knew the Commissioner of Police didn't like Vybz Kartel, or the previous Commissioner of Police didn't like Vybz Kartel. No, I can't recall Andrew Holness coming out saying that he didn't like Vybz Kartel. But it seems like he's a man who have a lot of pull. The person behind this video is a person who have a lot of pull, and I use all in power to keep Vybz Kartel in a prison. No one tell me say a man daughter runs some pom pom, the wife runs some pom pom, and for that a man a try hold Vybz Kartel in a prison. The person state that Donnelly, I can recall that case isn't being investigated like this one. And a lot more cases, double murder, triple murder, you know what I mean? A lot more cases hasn't been dealt with the way all Vybz Kartel case I deal with, or this a case I deal with. Something wrong, man. Hey, something wrong, you know. Something wrong. Alright, sir. You know what? It go come out, you know. It go come out. It go come out. So them burn down Isaac office. Feel like them could have get rid of some evidence and Vybz Kartel and make them know say, yo, feds boy, yo, in a cloud, we have to files them right now. We evolve. Yo, you know what? Something a go on. The corruption, it digs deep, brother and sister.